Hello, my friends. If you're here, it's not by chance. Life has a way of leading us to the messages we're ready to receive, and today, this message is for you. Let's talk about something that has the power to change everything: the energy of wealth, abundance, and the infinite potential already within you. What if I told you that your financial reality begins in your mind? What you think, believe, and feel about money shapes your experience of it. Right now, you have the ability to align yourself with the frequency of abundance, to step into a life where wealth flows naturally to you. But here's the secret: it doesn't start with effort, it starts with belief. Most people look at their circumstances and think, this is my reality. I have to work harder, struggle longer, or wait for something outside of me to change. But that's not how life works. Your outer world is only a reflection of your inner world. The wealth you desire begins as an idea, a feeling, and a conviction that it already belongs to you. If you can truly feel rich within, the world has no choice but to reflect that richness back to you. Let's start here. Can you close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life of your dreams? See it clearly. Where are you? What does your home look like? How do you feel waking up every morning, knowing that you have more than enough? Feel it. Taste it. Breathe it in. This is not just a daydream, this is the creative act that sets the foundation for your future. Everything in your life begins with a thought. But it's not just about thinking, it's about feeling. You must feel the reality of your desire so vividly that it becomes more real to you than what your senses currently perceive. When you do this, you are aligning yourself with the vibration of wealth. Here's the challenge: many of us have limiting beliefs about money. We've been told it's hard to earn, that we're not worthy, or that wanting wealth is selfish. These beliefs are like chains that keep us stuck in lack. To break free, you must replace them with empowering truths. Instead of saying, "I can't afford that," try saying, "Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly." Replace "I'll never be rich" with "Wealth is my natural state." These are not just words, they are seeds you're planting in the fertile soil of your mind. Water them daily with your attention and faith, and watch them grow into a harvest of abundance. Now let's get practical. The law of assumption is simple yet profound: assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. If you want to be rich, act as if you already are. What does a wealthy person think? How do they carry themselves? How do they treat others? Start embodying those traits now. This doesn't mean you need to spend recklessly or pretend to be someone you're not. It means adopting the mindset of abundance. Feel grateful for what you have, no matter how small, and watch how life gives you more to be grateful for. Speaking of gratitude, let's talk about its power. Gratitude is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. When you focus on the blessings in your life, no matter how simple they may seem, you open yourself up to receive even greater blessings. Each morning, take a moment to list the things you're grateful for. Say thank you for the roof over your head, the meals you enjoy, and the opportunities coming your way. Feel the gratitude deeply, as if your heart is overflowing. This energy magnetizes wealth to you like nothing else. Here's something you need to hear: wealth doesn't always manifest overnight. It requires persistence and faith. When you plant a seed, you don't dig it up the next day to check if it's growing. You water it, nurture it, and trust that it will sprout in its own time. The same goes for your financial desires. Keep affirming your wealth, visualizing your success, and feeling the reality of your abundance, even if your outer circumstances haven't changed yet. Trust the process, and don't let doubt creep in. Your faith is the bridge that connects you to your desires. While your thoughts and feelings are the foundation, inspired action is the natural next step. Pay attention to the nudges, ideas, and opportunities that come your way. When you align yourself with abundance, life will guide you to the actions that bring it into reality. These actions won't feel like struggle, they'll feel natural and even exciting. Maybe it's a new business idea, an investment opportunity, or simply reaching out to someone who inspires you. Trust your intuition and take those steps with confidence, knowing that you're being guided toward your richest life. Wealth is often misunderstood as merely the accumulation of material possessions, but true richness goes much deeper. Let's explore another dimension of abundance, the art of becoming a magnet for opportunities. Opportunities are the vehicles through which abundance flows into our lives. But to attract them, we must become the type of person who naturally aligns with success. This means cultivating traits such as curiosity, adaptability, and a willingness to grow beyond your current state. Opportunities often hide in plain sight, waiting for those who are attuned to recognize them. One powerful way to magnetize opportunities is by nurturing relationships. The people in your life often act as conduits for wealth, whether through mentorship, collaboration, or simply inspiration. Treat your relationships as sacred and valuable, and give as much as you wish to receive. When you approach others with generosity and respect, you'll find that the energy flows back to you tenfold. Another key to wealth is fostering a mindset of contribution. Ask yourself not just what you want to receive, but what you can give. How can your unique talents and skills add value to the lives of others? This perspective shift opens doors that might otherwise remain closed. When you offer solutions, share insights, or inspire others, you create a ripple effect that leads to more wealth for everyone involved, including you. Let's not overlook the importance of organization in creating wealth. Chaos in your external environment often reflects chaos in your internal world. Begin with small steps, organize your workspace, streamline your finances, and set clear goals for the wealth you wish to create. When you bring order to your life, you create a foundation for abundance to flourish. Decisions are the turning points in your life. Indecision keeps you stagnant, while a single decisive moment can propel you toward the wealth you seek. Decide today that you are worthy of wealth, that you will no longer entertain thoughts of scarcity, and that you will take steps, no matter how small, to align with abundance. This clarity of purpose is like lighting a beacon that attracts wealth directly to you. Wealth creation also requires managing your energy wisely. Think of your energy as a resource, just like money. Where are you investing it? Are you pouring it into worry, doubt, and fear? Or are you channeling it toward gratitude, vision, and inspired action? When you focus your energy on what uplifts and excites you, you naturally attract circumstances that amplify those feelings. Let go of lack. Stop focusing on what you don't have or what you fear losing. Lack is just an illusion created by the mind. When you dwell on it, you're feeding it energy and keeping it alive. Instead, shift your focus to abundance. See the wealth all around you, in nature, in the generosity of others, and in the opportunities that surround you every day. The universe is infinite, and there is more than enough for everyone. Your wealth does not take away from anyone else's, just as another person's wealth does not diminish your own. When you truly understand this, you'll find it easier to attract abundance into your life. If you've made it this far, consider this your confirmation: you are meant to be rich. Not just in money, but in love, joy, and fulfillment. Wealth is your birthright, and the key to unlocking it lies within you. Start today by imagining your richest life, replacing limiting beliefs, and stepping into the energy of abundance. The journey to wealth is not about struggle, it's about alignment. Align yourself with the frequency of prosperity, and watch how life transforms. You have everything you need to create the life of your dreams. Now is the time to claim it.